Hello friends, today we are going to solve the compartment paper of business studies and its question paper code is 66S1 and it is set 1. So at all India level only 3 sets were there. So all the case studies are same, just direct questions are different. So you can have any set, no problem, but the case studies are same. Now we will start with the MCQ. Here we have the first one. It is from the first chapter, management, nature and significance of management, and here we can see in this question builder has completed the project but its cost is more. So in the out of 4 options he is effective but not efficient. In second MCQ, two assertion and reason is there. So here informal, they are talking about informal organization. So in this case, the first sentence, informal organization has definite structure, it is wrong, but the reason given is it is correct. So assertion is false but the reason is true. Option D is the correct answer. If we move to question number 3, in question number 3, this is a question of question from the function of stock exchange. So here we can see investment, disinvestment and reinvestment is there. So it is contributing in the economic growth. So correct answer is option C. In question number 4, we can see here it is about different marketing concepts. So here they are talking about the eco-friendly material. They are using eco-friendly material in the manufacturing process. So definitely it is related to societal concept. Now if you see question number 5, in question number 5, here inflation rate, disposable income of people, these things are given. So definitely it is related to economic environment. If you see the picture is given now, this time you can see this picture is there, and in this picture you can see one notice board is there, no food or drink is allowed. So definitely it is a rule. If you see the question number 7, in question number 7 assertion and reason is there. Dividend in the growth of the companies is smaller than a non-growth companies. So definitely a company having good, both the sentences are correct. Assertion is also correct and reason is also correct. If you see question number 8, in question number 8 the organizing process is there, so it's very easy to identify. Option C is the correct answer. In question number 9, identify the incorrect sentence. So this was a tricky question, but in this a customer may see. Option C is the correct answer, because here functional, promotional and technological benefits are there, but functional, psychological and social word is there, correct word. So C is the correct. In question number 10, we can see here question from controlling is there. So here 4 options are given. So management is reviewing the progress and have not been effective. They realize this, it was not effective. So here they are comparing the performance that we are comparing, and afterwards they come to know this thing. Now if you see the question number 11, here in question number 11 2 statements are given. So first statement is correct from staffing chapter, but the second statement is not correct, because they are also understanding of manpower requirement not only is only to know the number, it is not correct. What type is also including. So option C, both statement are not true, but here the answer will come. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So option A is the correct answer. Now we are moving to question number 12. In question number 12, we can see with the growth of computers and more companies are using interactive sites and internet in gathering the customer review and opinion. So definitely it is here question option D is the correct answer, and gathering and analyzing market information. And question number 13, if you see the process of holding security in electronic form is dematerialization. Now in question number 14, if you see in question number 14, it is about the packaging. They want to in the plastic bottle is there is some harmful element, so they want to change the packaging. So the answer is B, packaging. Now if you see question number 15, in question number 15 match the following is there, and it is all about the communication, leadership, motivation and directing chapter is there. So all the things are very easily you can identify. Option B is the here correct answer. Influencing is there, leadership, stimulating is there, motivating, guiding, directing, and like this. Question number 16, the following incorrect sentence we have to identify the incorrect sentence, and in this it is about delegation, and here D, it increased the role of subordinate in the organization by giving more autonomy. It is related to not delegation but it is related to decentralization. Question number 17, if you see it is related to transaction of in stock exchange within 24 hours contract note is issued by the broker. So the correct answer is this. In question number 18, if you see the following is not affecting investment decision. So here investment, so control consideration, cash flow statement, rate of return, all the things are there, but here control consideration is the correct answer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer here. Now in question number 19, if you see two statements are given and both statements are true. Okay, first is also correct, financial markets are market for creation and exchange, and other one is also correct, so both the statements are true. In question number 20, last MCQ, standing plans are there. Different types of plans are here. We have to select the standing plans. So here option B is the correct one. Now 3 marks question, if you see the question number 21. In question number 21, if you see the company is there, they are already leading in the medicine, but they also want to enter in medical devices, baby care products and nutritional supplements. So here they have to adopt the divisional structure. Obviously they have to follow the divisional structure, and from this we have to one advantage and one disadvantage we have to explain. That is also easy. Now if you see the question number 22, 3 marks, it's a direct question, so no need any explanation. In question number 23, if you see here, it is related to marketing management chapter, and here they are talking about their market position. Their product is lacking of variety, so definitely they are talking about product, and even their price is not justifying the price. Quality is also not justifying the price. So two marketing mix element, price and product is discussed here. In question number 24, direct question is there. In question number 25, this is also from the directing. Also from the directing, you can see if you read the case study, the Kapila is a good, Kapila is a engineer in the consultancy company. So here she is not leaving the job because her work is very interesting. Greater variety of work is there, and higher level of knowledge and skill provides opportunity for personal growth. So here skill development program is there, promotion is there, valuable suggestions she is giving and getting the rewards, and like this different 4 kinds of non-financial incentive like job enrichment, career advancement, employee recognition is also there, and overall all 3 make a organizational climate very positive. So this is the answer. Question number 26 is a case study. It is of 4 marks now. Now Pastel is a country, largest biscuit making company is there, biscuit manufacturing company is there. Now in this question, if you see, they are asking about the importance of the controlling. So robust control system is there, that's why they are able to find the deviations. So importance, when we talk about they are accomplishing goal because they have a robust control system, as well as they are also able to find judging the accuracy of the standard. So that's why these 2 things they are getting. Another question is a direct questions, 27. Question number 28 is it is a case study, and in this case study they are asking about the business environment, importance of business environment. Here different lines are there. When we talk about the customer is shifting, this is related to uncertainty. When we talk about the fluctuation of global level, different commodity price, exchange rate and political conditions, so dynamic nature is there. And then they also want to cope up with the situation, so coping with rapid change, and they want to improve their performance. So improving performance is there. So different lines are there. You can easily judge if you read carefully 2 times. Question number 29 and 30 direct questions are there, though no need any explanation. Question number 31, this is a 6-mark question. This is based on the calculation. Here we can see company wants 30 lakhs rupees. 2 options are there. One is the entire amount by shares, and second they want to go with 10 lakh rupees by shares and 20 lakh rupees by the raising debt. Their investment return on investment is 12%, and debt interest rate is 10%. So 12 and 10%. So definitely the second option is good, but we have to explain the reasons. So the calculation is like this. Their profit will be 12%. So here 12% is there, and then interest, tax rate, share and EPS is given. So when interest rate is less and return on investment is more, then definitely we have to go for the debt option. It will give us benefit. But the second question here, they are asking if the return on investment is 8%, what will be the condition? So definitely a return of will the earning per share improve if the return on investment is company is 8%? So here is the answer is no, definitely no. We have to show the calculation on the basis of 8% also. So here I have done the 12%, but the calculation is required for 8%. So question number 32 is a direct question, and even 33 is also a direct question. Now the last question is there, question number 34, and in this case we have seen the identify the and explain the 3 principles of management given by Henry Fayol. You can see chapter 2, and 6-mark question is there. So out of 14 principles, 3 principles are there, and the first is a person is getting instruction from more than 2 persons, so unity of command is there. Another thing, their communication system is not proper, so scalar chain is there. And they are also talking about the team spirit, harmony and unity. So that's why 3 unity of command, scalar chain and esprit corps is there. Now one more thing I want to highlight here. See from last to in March also, last year also I have seen there. Now CBSE has done what they are asking this kind of question. The points are there given. Many times what you have to remember the points, the features of planning, we have to remember the points and then explain. But from last 2 years they are asking what kind of question. The points are given. Planning is mental exercise. Estimating manpower requirement. We have to write explain this point in detail. So here 4 points are there, 1 and 1.5 marks 1. Here 3 points are there. So 2 marks explanation is required. So each and every point you have to explain with the with examples. So these type of questions are many times asked. You can see coordination is continuous process. Already feature is given, you have to explain in this detail. It is also 2 marks. Here management is a dynamic function. Why? You have to explain in detail for 2 marks. So that means you have to explain in detail. So students, my advice is there, you people, whenever you are reading, read the things properly so that you are able to explain with a proper example and quality and quantity both. Okay, I hope this will be help to you. Thank you so much.